Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Sweet and Savory Kitchen. Today I will be making a triple berry crumble. So I have here strawberry, raspberries and blueberries. I'm gonna put them in my bowl, the dish that I'm gonna be using for baking. I'm just gonna quickly mix them. And then I have here 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour. It's just gonna make sure the juices are nice and thick. And you just need a little bit. I'm gonna mix this. And that's it. I'm gonna set this aside and then I'm going to make the topping. So for the topping, I have 1 banana that I'm going to mash. And once it's mashed, then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and about a teaspoon of cinnamon. Now I'm going to add my almond butter, about a 1/4 cup. Trust me, it's really delicious. And then about a 1/4 cup of honey. And we're gonna mix it together really well. Now I have oats. I'm gonna use about 1.5 cups of oats. These are quick oats. And with that, I'm going to add some handful of walnuts, chopped walnuts. A couple of handfuls, and a pinch of pink salt, just to bring out more flavor. Just a tiny bit. I'm gonna mix them all together. This smells really good. After it's all mixed, I like to add a little bit of honey on the berries as well, because that's the only sugar is going to be, the sweetener is going to be. So a little bit on that, and just gonna mix it quickly. And now we're going to take our mixture and we're going to pour it over and make sure it's evenly. So I spread the toppings all over. Now I'm going to bake this in the preheated oven for 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes, and I'll see you then. Look at that, you guys, it's coming out, looking good. Look at this, you guys. Berry crumble is ready. And look at this. It's absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye.